Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at learnohub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 8 Remainder and Factor Theorem. We'll use factor theorem to factorize a given polynomial. We'll understand this with examples and solve more questions from exercise 8B. Are you all ready? Yes, let's start. Let's see how to use factor theorem to factorize a given polynomial. Now, what are factors? We have studied about factors. Let us take a number 30, okay? And I am giving you that 3 is a factor of 30. Then, dividing 30 with 3, what do we get? We'll be getting 10. 30, the remainder is 0. Okay, which means 3 and 10 are factors of 30. Now, 10 is equal to 5 into 2, which means 3, 5 and 2 are factors of 30. When you have one factor, we can find the remaining factors. Now, we are using the factor theorem to factorize a polynomial. What is factor theorem? According to factor theorem, we have if f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial f of x. This we have studied in the previous class when we discussed factor theorem. Okay. If f of a is equal to 0, that is if remainder is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. Even the converse is possible. If x minus a is a factor, then surely f of a will be equal to 0. From this, we can obtain one factor. When we know the one factor, we can perform the long division by taking the polynomial and dividing the polynomial with the given factor. We get the remaining factors. Okay, let's understand this with an example. Okay, here we have the example. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 2 is a factor of 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Hence, factorize the given expression. Here, we have f of x, the function, is equal to 3x square minus 5x minus 2. We need to first show that x minus 2 is a factor. When do we get x minus 2 as a factor? If f of 2 is equal to 0. We know x minus a is a factor only if f of a is equal to 0. Let's see what f of 2 is. F of 2 is equal to, in place of x, we are going to substitute 2. 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 2. That is equal to 3 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Minus 5 into 2, 10 minus 2. That is 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We got f of 2 is equal to 0. If f of 2 is 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor. Okay. So, the first thing, that is to show that x minus 2 is a factor, we have got x minus 2 is a factor. Now, we need to factorize the given expression. To factorize this, what to do? We have to divide the expression 3x square minus 5x minus 2 with any one of the factor. We have one factor which is x minus 2. Just we need to divide the expression with x minus 2. Then we will be getting the remaining factors. 3x square. To get 3x square, we have to multiply x and 3x. 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into minus 2. 3x into minus 2 is minus 6x. On subtracting this, we get 3x square minus 3x square is 0. Minus 5x minus of minus 6x. That is minus 5x plus 6x is x. Taking this minus 2 down, we get x minus 2. Now, to get x minus 2, x into 1 is x plus 1. Okay. 1 into x is x 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Here, on subtracting, we get remainder 0, which means x minus 2 is one factor and 3x plus 1 is the second factor. Here, this polynomial is of degree 2, which means we will be getting two factors. One factor is x minus 2 and 3x plus 1 is a factor, the second factor that we determine. Understood? Once you get one factor, we just need to perform the long division to get the remaining factors. If you have a polynomial of degree 3, then you will be getting 3 factors. We'll solve questions where you have a polynomial with degree 3. Okay, let us take another example. Example 2, use the factor theorem to factorize x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4 completely. In our previous question, one factor was given, but here no factors are given. We know that x minus a is a factor of f of x if f of a is equal to 0. Okay, let us take some values for a and check if f of x we are getting 0. When a is equal to 1, x minus a will be equal to x minus 1. Let's see what f of 1 is. F of 1 is equal to, put value 1 wherever you find x. 1 cube plus 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 4. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube 1, 1 square 1, minus 4. 4 into 1 is minus 4. Then minus 4. This is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4, minus 6. Minus 6 not equal to 0. F of 1 is not equal to 0. So, we cannot take this value. Now, if a is equal to minus 1, put minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. That is equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4 and we have a minus 4. F of minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 and plus 1 can be cancelled. 4 and minus 4 can be cancelled, which means f of minus 1 is equal to 0. If f of minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus a is equal to 0. Here, the value of a is minus 1. That is, x minus of minus 1 is a factor. That is, x plus 1, minus of minus plus. X plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. If factors are not given, we have to do these steps. Try with 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. Here, when I put minus 1 as a, I got x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Now, when you get one factor, we can easily factorize by using the long division method. So, x plus 1 is the divisor here and the dividend is x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Okay, here we have x cube. X into x square is x cube. So, here we get x square. Now, multiply x square into x, x cube plus x square into 1, x square. Subtracting. Here we get 0, here also we get 0. Now taking these down, we get minus 4x minus 4. To get minus 4x here, we have to multiply x and minus 4. Minus 4. That is, minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus 4 into plus 1 is minus 4. Now again subtracting, we get 0 here and 0 here. Okay. So, the remainder is 0. We got the remainder 0. Now, these two are the factors. X plus 1 and x square minus 4. Here again, we can get two factors. X square minus 4. X square minus 4 is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is x plus 2 into x minus 2. So from x square minus 4, we got two factors, x plus 2 and x minus 2. The factors are, first factor is x plus 1, then x plus 2 and x minus 2. We got three factors for the given expression x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Steps are clear, right? We have to check to get the first factor. We'll put some values like 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. Still, if we didn't get any factors, by the time you will be getting at least one factor. If you didn't get, you will go to 3, minus 3, etc. Clear? Next, example 3. Use the factor theorem to factorize 6x cube plus 17x square plus 4x minus 12 completely. Here again, factors are not given. Let us start. When we have f of x is equal to 6x cube plus 17x square plus 4x minus 12, we'll put some values and try to get the factors. When a is equal to 1, that is, we are going to find f of a, f of 1. F of 1 will be equal to 6 into 1 cube plus 17 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 12. That is equal to 6 into 1 cube is 6 plus 17 into 1 square is 17 plus 4 minus 12. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 17, 27. 27 minus 12 is 15. We will get f of 1 is equal to 15. Can I take this? No, this is not equal to 0. We need f of a equal to 0 only, then x minus a is a factor. Now let's try with minus 1, f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to 6 into minus 1 cube plus 17 into minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 12. That is equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into 17 is 17. 4 into minus 1, minus 4, minus 12. Okay, minus 6, minus 4 is minus 10, minus 10 minus 12 is minus 22. Minus 22 plus 17, that is minus 5. Minus 5 is also not equal to 0. F of minus 1 cannot be taken. Next, try with f of 2. Okay, when you try with f of 2, what do you get? 6 into 2 cube plus 17 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 12. That is 2 cube is 8. 8 into 6, 48 plus 17 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 and 4 into 17. That is 68. 68 plus 8 minus 12. Anyway, when you add this, you will be getting a bigger number which is not equal to 0. So, this is not necessary. We can say that f of 2 is also not equal to 0. Now, let's take f of minus 2. When you take f of minus 2, we will be getting 6 into minus 2 cube plus 17 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 minus 12. Okay. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 8 into 6, minus 48. Minus 48. Minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is plus 4. 4 into 17. That is 68. Minus 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 12. Okay. Minus 48. Minus 12 is minus 60. Minus 60 minus 8 is minus 68. Minus 68 plus 68, we get 0. F of minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, the value of a is equal to minus 2 is possible. Which means x minus a is equal to 0. Here we have x minus of minus 2 is a factor. Okay. X minus minus 2 is a factor. That is, x plus 2 is a factor of the expression 6x cube plus 17x square plus 4x minus 12. So we got one factor. Now we can use the long division method to find the other factors. Okay, here the divisor is x plus 2 and the dividend is 6x cube plus 17x square plus 4x minus 12. Okay, to get 6x cube, we have to multiply x and 6x square. Okay, 6x square into x is 6x cube plus 6x square into 2, that is 12x square. On subtracting, what do we get? Here it is 0. 17x square minus 12x square, that is 5x square. Taking this down, plus 4x minus 12. To get 5x square, we have to multiply x and 5x plus 5x. 5x into x is 5x square plus 5x into 2, 10x. On subtracting, what do we get? 5x square and 5x square can be removed. We have 4x minus 10x, that is minus 6x minus 12. Okay, to get minus 6x, we have to multiply x and minus 6. That is minus 6x minus 6 into 2. That is minus 12. On subtracting this, we will be getting 0 remainder. So, the factors are x plus 2 and 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Here, the quotient is q of x is equal to 6x square plus 5x minus 6. From this again we can get two factors, right? Here to factorize this, we need two numbers such that the sum will be equal to 5 and product will be equal to a into c. We have studied this detail in quadratic equations. Product should be equal to minus 36. To get 36, we can multiply 36 into 1 or 18 into 2, then 12 into 3, 9 into 4, okay, then 6 into 6. Here we have a negative sign in the product. That means 1 should be negative. Okay, and sum is positive, which means the greater chosen should be positive. Here, when I take 9 and 4, 9 into 4 is 36. So, here I will put a negative sign for the smaller number. Larger number should be positive because sum is positive. 9 into minus 4 is minus 36. What is 9 minus 4? 9 is minus 4 is 5. So, we can split the middle term. This is equal to 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. That is equal to, taking common from here, this is 2 into 3 into x and this is 3 into 3 into x, which means we can take 3x outside. Then what is remaining? Taking 3x outside, here 2x will be remaining plus this is 3. Okay, 3x into 3 is 9x. What about here? This is 2 into x and this is 3 into 2. 2 can be taken out and we have a negative here. Minus 2 into 2x plus 3. Okay. Then what are the factors? 2x plus 3 is common. Then the remaining we have 3x minus 2. Therefore, we got two factors. One is 2x plus 3. Second, 3x minus 2. And the first one we have obtained by taking different values for a. That is x plus 2. These are the factors of 6x cube plus 17x square plus 4x minus 12. We got the three factors of the expression 6x cube plus 17x square plus 4x minus 12. Clear? Next, example 4. If x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2, first question, find the value of p. Second, with the value of p, factorize the above expression completely. Here, one factor is given, which is x minus 2. We need to find the value of p. Here, x minus 2 is a factor, which means when the value of a is equal to 2, f of 2, when we take f of 2, we'll be getting 0 because this is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor, which means x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. F of 2 should be equal to 0 because if it is a factor, then remainder is equal to 0. Remainder is f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 0. So, we have the expression f of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. When you put the value of x is equal to 2, that is f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 2 square minus p into 2 minus 2. That is equal to 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2, 16 minus 2 square 4 minus 2p minus 2. Okay, that is minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 minus 2p. Okay, we have f of 2 is equal to 0. The remainder is 0 because x minus 2 is a factor of the given expression. Substituting here 0. We'll be getting, taking this minus 2p to the opposite side, it becomes plus 2p is equal to 10 or p is equal to 10 by 2 which is equal to 5. We got the value of p is equal to 5. Okay. Now, to get the factors, first we need to put this value of p in the expression. Then only we get the actual expression. The actual expression f of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. To factorize this, in the second question, after we get the value of p, we need to factorize the expression completely. To factorize, at least we need one factor. In this question, one factor is given. X minus 2 is a factor. So, taking x minus 2 as the divisor and the dividend is 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. We can find the quotient, which is again a factor. So, to get 2x cube, x should be multiplied with 2x square. 2x square into x is 2x cube minus 2x square into 2 is 4x square. Okay. On subtracting, what do we get? 2x cube minus 2x cube is 0. Minus x square minus of minus plus 4x square, that is 3x square. Taking this down, we have minus 5x minus 2. Now, to get 3x square, we have to multiply x and 3x plus 3x. Okay. Then 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into minus 2 is minus 6x. Now, subtracting, what do we get? 3x square minus 3x square is 0. Minus 5x minus of minus plus 6x, that is x. X minus 2. So, to get x, we have to have 1. 1 into x is x. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. X minus 2. Then the remainder will be equal to 0 on subtracting. Okay. So, we got x minus 2 into 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to this thing. Now, we can again factorize this, taking this 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So, we have to find two numbers such that the sum is equal to 3 and product is equal to a into c. A is 2 and c is 1. That is equal to 2. Okay. To get 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 2x square. We can split this middle term plus 2x plus x plus 1. That is equal to, taking common, 2x is common here. Then x plus 1. Here we have x plus 1, which means I'm multiplying with 1. Plus 1 into x plus 1. So, the factors are x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. We already have another factor, that is x minus 2, which was given in the question. So the three factors are x plus 1, 2x plus 1 and x minus 2. Clear? Now let us solve more questions from exercise 8b. First problem, question number 1 of exercise 8b. Using the factor theorem, show that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Hence, factorize the expression x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18 completely. When do we say that x minus 2 is a factor of the expression f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18? Only when f of 2 is equal to 0. If we get f of 2 is equal to 0, if f of 2 is equal to 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. So, we need to find if f of 2 is equal to 0. That is, if the remainder is equal to 0. Let's substitute x is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 9 into 2 plus 18. That is equal to 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, 4 into 2, 8, minus 8. Then minus 9 into 2 is minus 18 plus 18. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 8 minus 8, 0, minus 18 plus 18, 0. So, we got f of 2 is 0. If f of 2 is 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, we got x minus 2 is a factor of the expression x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Now, how to find the other factors? Factorize in the sense, we need to find the other factors. For that, we have the expression x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Now, we have to divide this expression with the factor. Here, the factor is x minus 2. Divide it by x minus 2. Okay. What do we get? To get x cube, x should be multiplied with x square. X square. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 2 is minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. On subtracting this, here we'll be getting 0. Taking this down, minus 9x plus 18. Okay. To get minus 9x, x should be multiplied with minus 9. Minus 9. So, minus 9x minus 9 into minus 2. What is it? Plus 18. Plus 18. What is the remainder then? On subtracting this, we will be getting 0. Therefore, here we obtain the quotient q of x is equal to x square minus 9. Okay. X square minus 9 is of the form a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here this can be written as x square minus 3 square. That is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 3. Two factors we got. One is x plus 3 and the other is x minus 3. We already have the third factor, that is x minus 2. So, the factors are x plus 3, x minus 3 and x minus 2. So, when you multiply this, you will be getting this expression. And the remainder we know is equal to 0. Clear? Next problem 2, question 4 of exercise 8b. Factorize the expression f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square minus 3x plus 18. Hence, find all possible values of x for which f of x is equal to 0. Here, the expression is f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square minus 3x plus 18. No factors are given. We need to find factors. For that, first we'll substitute. That is, if x minus a is a factor only if f of a is equal to 0. Yes, If it is a factor, then the remainder should be equal to 0. Let's take different values for a. When a is equal to 1, what is f of 1? Let's see if f of 1 is 0. F of 1 will be equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 18. That is equal to 2 into 1 cube is 2 minus 7 into 1 square is minus 7 minus 3 into 1 minus 1 plus 18 is f of 1, or f of 1 is equal to 2 plus 18, 20, 20 minus 7 minus 3, that is plus 10. Okay, that is f of 1 not equal to 0. We are not getting f of 1 0, which means x minus 1 is not a factor. Now we'll try a is equal to minus 1. That is f of 1. If a is equal to minus 1, then x minus minus 1. We have to check if x minus minus 1 or x plus 1 is a factor of the expression. What is f of minus 1? F of minus 1 will be equal to 2 into minus 1 cube minus 7 into minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 18. That is equal to 2 into minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Minus 7 into minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus 7. That is minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 plus 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 minus 7 is 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. F of minus 1 is equal to 12, which means f of minus 1 not equal to 0, or x plus 1 is not a factor of the expression. Now we'll try a is equal to 2. That is, if x minus 2 is a factor of the expression. What is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 7 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 18. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16. 2 square is 4. 4 into minus 7, minus 28. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6 plus 18. Okay. 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 plus 18, 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. We got f of 2 is equal to 0, which means x minus 2 is a factor. Okay. X minus 2 is a factor. If we get one factor, we can find the remaining factors. Here the expression is 2x cube minus 7x square minus 3x plus 18. We are performing the long division with the factor x minus 2. To get 2x cube, x is multiplied with 2x square. 2x square into x is 2x cube. 2x square into minus 2 is minus 4x square. On subtracting this, what do we get? 2x cube minus 2x cube is equal to 0. Minus 7x square minus of minus 4x square. That is minus 7x square plus 4x square, which is minus 3x square. Bringing this down, we get minus 3x plus 18. Minus 3x square is obtained when x is multiplied with minus 3x. Here we have minus 3x. Minus 3x into x is minus 3x square. Minus 3x into minus 2, that is plus 6x. On subtracting, we get minus 3x square plus 3x square, that is 0. Minus 3x minus 6x. Minus 9x plus 18. Now to get minus 9x, x is multiplied with minus 9. Minus 9. Minus 9 into x is minus 9x. Minus 9 into minus 2 is plus 18. Plus 18. When you subtract this, we get 0. Okay, therefore the factors are x minus 2 and 2x square minus 3x minus 9. From this we can get two factors. Here the quotient obtained q of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 9. Okay, we are going to factorize this by splitting the middle term. We need to choose two numbers such that sum is equal to minus 3 and product is equal to a into c, that is 2 into minus 9 minus 18. Here in the product we have negative, which means one number should be negative and the other should be positive. To get 18, 18 into 1 is 18, 9 into 2 is 18, 6 into 3 is 18. Here in the sum we have negative, which means the greater number should be negative. Okay, minus 18 into 1, minus 9 into 2 or minus 6 into 3. Now check the sum. Minus 18 plus 1, that is minus 17, not possible. Minus 9 plus 2, minus 7. We need minus 3, right? Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So the factors are minus 6 and plus 3. Here we can split the middle term. We will be getting 2x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 9. Now take the common. Here from 2x square and 6x we can take 2x common, remaining we have x minus 3. Okay. From here 3x and 9 we can take plus 3 common, remaining we have x minus 3. X minus 3 is common, taking x minus 3 out. X minus 3 into what is remaining? 2x plus 3. Two factors we obtained. One is x minus 3, 2x plus 3. Here we already have another factor which we used for division, which is x minus 2. That is x minus 2, x minus 3 and 2x plus 3 are the factors. We need to find the possible values of x for which f of x is equal to 0. We can find x minus 2 is a factor if x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. X minus 3 is a factor, therefore x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. 2x plus 3 is a factor, therefore 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, taking plus 3 to the opposite side, it becomes minus 3. And here we have to divide this 2. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. The values of x are x is equal to 2, 3 or minus 3 by 2. Possible values of x for which f of x is equal to 0. Understood? Next, problem 3, question 3 of exercise 8b. Using the remainder theorem, factorize the expression 3x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 6. Hence, solve the equation 3x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Solve the equation means we have to find the value of x. Okay, to factorize this, at least we have to get the first factor. We have the expression f of x is equal to 3x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 6. Okay. X minus a is a factor only if f of a is equal to 0. This is what factor theorem says. So, we have to put some values of a. For that, we will be getting f of a is equal to 0. When I put a is equal to 1, what is f of 1? F of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 cube plus 10 into 1 square plus 1 minus 6. Okay. That is equal to 3 into 1 cube is 3 plus 10 into 1 square is 10 plus 1 minus 6. That is equal to 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, f of 1 is not equal to 0. We cannot take x minus 1 as a factor. If a is equal to 1, we get f of 1 not equal to 0, which means f minus 1 is not a factor. Okay. Now, let's try with minus 1. When a is equal to minus 1, we need to find if x minus of minus 1 is a factor. That is, if x plus 1 is a factor or not. Okay, for that we'll substitute in place of x minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 cube plus 10 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 6. Okay, that is equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into 10, 10. Then we have a minus 1 and minus 6. That is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 10, we get 0, which means f of minus 1 is equal to 0. If f of minus 1 is 0, then x minus of minus 1 is a factor or x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, x plus 1 is a factor. We got one factor. Now using this factor, we can find the remaining factors. We'll perform the long division. Here the divisor is x plus 1 and the dividend is the given expression 3x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 6. Now to get 3x cube, x should be multiplied with 3x square. Okay, 3x square into x is 3x cube. 3x square into plus 1 is plus 3x square. Now subtracting, we get 0 here. 10x square minus 3x square is 7x square. Taking this down, we get plus x minus 6. Now to get 7x square, x should be multiplied with 7x plus 7x. Okay, 7x into x is 7x square. 7x into 1 is 7x plus 7x. Now subtracting, we'll be getting 7x square minus 7x square is 0. X minus 7x is minus 6x. Minus 6x, taking this down, we have minus 6. Okay. Now, to get minus 6x, x should be multiplied with minus 6. Minus 6 into x is minus 6x. Minus 6 into plus 1 is minus 6. Then what is the remainder? On subtracting this, we get 0. So, we got the quotient q of x is equal to 3x square plus 7x minus 6. Okay. Now, to find the other two factors, we need to factorize this. We can use the splitting middle term method. Here, we have to choose two numbers such that the sum is 7 and product is equal to C into A, that is 3 into minus 6, minus 18. Okay. To get 18, we can have 18 into 1, 9 into 2 or 6 into 3. Now, here the sum is positive. Since the product is negative, one of these two numbers should be negative. Since the sum is positive, of these numbers chosen, the smaller number should be negative. Here, the smaller numbers taken negative. Now, check 18 minus 1 is 17. So, this is not the one. Then, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. We need 7, right? So, this is the two numbers. Here, we can split the middle term. That is equal to 3x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 6. We have made 7x as 9x minus 2x. Now, taking common, this is equal to, from 3x square and 9x, we can take 3x common, remaining we have x plus 3. From here, we can take minus 2 common. Again, inside the bracket, we have x plus 3. That is equal to, taking x plus 3 is common, x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. We got two factors, that is x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. So, the first factor is x plus 1. The factors are x plus 1, which we obtained by substituting different values for a. Then x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. We need to solve the equation, which means we have to find the values of x. If x plus 1 is a factor, then x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus 1 taken to the opposite side, it becomes minus 1. If x plus 3 is a factor, then x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is x? X will be equal to minus 3. Minus 3. If 3x minus 2 is a factor, then 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 2 taken to the opposite side becomes plus 2. And x is equal to 2 by 3. So, the possible values of x. Values of x are possible values of x are minus 1, minus 3 and 2 by 3. Minus 1, minus 3 and 2 by 3. Understood? Here again first we are finding the factor and using one factor we can obtain the other factors. If in the question you are asked to solve the equation, you have to find the value of x. Okay. Solving an equation means you are finding the values of x. Clear? Let's do the next question. Problem number 4, question 5 of exercise 8b. Given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 are factors of f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Calculate the values of a and b, hence find all factors of f of x. Here in the expression for f of x, we have a and b. We need to find the values of a and b. The expression is f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 are factors, which means if x minus 2 is a factor, then f of 2 should be equal to 0. Similarly, if x plus 1 is a factor, then f of minus 1 should be equal to 0. That is, if they are factors in the remainder, on dividing these factors with this given expression, you should get 0 as the remainder. Now, first let's put x is equal to 2 and find f of 2. F of 2 will be equal to 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b. That is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 square 4. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2a plus b. What is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 0 because x minus 2 is a factor. 0. That is 2a plus b is equal to, taking plus 8 and plus 12 to the opposite side, we get minus 8 minus 12. That is 2a plus b is equal to minus 8 plus 12 is 20. That is minus 8 minus 12 is minus 20. So, this is our first expression. Okay, this is a linear equation in 2 variable. Now, when you use this, that is x plus 1 is a factor, which means f of minus 1 is equal to 0. When you use this, you will be getting another expression, which is a linear equation in terms of a and b, 2 variables a and b. Let's find what is f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus a into minus 1 plus b. That is minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square. Minus 1 square plus 1 into 3 is 3. Then we have minus a and plus b. What is f of minus 1? F of minus 1 is equal to 0. Taking this minus a and plus b to the opposite side, it becomes a minus b. Minus a becomes plus a and plus b becomes minus b. Is equal to, here we have minus 1 and plus 3, which is 2. Okay, this is our second linear equation in 2 variables. Let us take this equation 2. Now, when you compare 1 and 2, we'll be getting values of a and b. Okay, I'm going to add equation 1 and equation 2. Here we have plus b and here we have minus b. On adding, they get cancelled. For that purpose, we are adding equation 1 and equation 2. If here we have plus b and here again we have plus b, in that case, you can subtract. Only then you can remove the b. LHS, we get 2a plus b plus a minus b. RHS, here we have minus 20 and here we have plus 2. That is 2a plus a, 3a plus b minus b cancelled is equal to minus 20 plus 2, which is minus 18. Then a is equal to minus 18 divided by 3, that is minus 6. We got the value of a is equal to minus 6. Now, I am substituting this value of a in the equation 2. When you substitute in equation 2, which is a minus b is equal to 2, implies a minus 6 minus b is equal to 2. Taking this minus b to the opposite side and 2 to the opposite side, we get minus 6 minus 2 is equal to b, which means b is equal to minus 8. The value of a is equal to minus 6 and value of b is equal to minus 8. Clear? We got the values of a and b. Now, in the second part of question, we need to find all the factors of f of x. Here, the expression for f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square. Now, we can substitute a and b. We have the value of a is equal to minus 6 and b is equal to minus 8. Substituting minus 6x minus 8. Okay, this is f of x. Use any of the factor. Either you can use x minus 2 or you can use x plus 1. You can perform the long division to get other values, other factors of the given expression. Dividing, I am dividing with x minus 2. The expression x cube plus 3x square minus 6x minus 8. Okay, here we have x cube. X cube is obtained when x is multiplied with x square. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 2, minus 2x square. On subtracting this, we get x cube minus x cube is 0. 3x square minus of minus 2x square, which is 5x square. 5x square, taking this down, minus 6x minus 8. Now, to get 5x square, x should be multiplied with 5x plus 5x. 5x into x is 5x square. 5x into minus 2 is minus 10x. On subtracting this, we get 5x square minus 5x square is 0. Minus 6x minus of minus 10x. That is minus 6x plus 10x, which is 4x. 4x, taking this down, minus 8. Okay. To get 4x, x should be multiplied with 4 plus 4. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Okay, subtracting this, we get remainder 0. Now here, the obtained quotient q of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Factorizing this by splitting the middle term, we can get the other factors. Here we have quotient q of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. Okay, we need to choose two numbers to split the middle term such that sum is equal to 5 and product is equal to 4. Okay, sum is 5 and product is 4. This is very simple. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Splitting middle term, we get x square plus 4x plus 1x plus 4. That is equal to x into x plus 4 plus, here we don't have anything in common, which means we are taking 1 out. X plus 4 is remaining. That is equal to x plus 4 is common. X plus 4 into, then you have x here and plus 1 here. X plus 1. Okay. X plus 4 into x plus 1. These are two factors and the first factor is x minus 2. X plus 1 is already there in the questions. Therefore, the factors are 1 x minus 2, second x plus 1 and third x plus 4. Okay. Find all the factors of f of x. Here we don't need to find the value of x. We just need to find the factors. The factors are x minus 2, x plus 1 and x plus 4. Understood? Very easy, right? Okay, we'll solve the next problem. Problem 5, question 6 of exercise 8b. The expression 4x cube minus bx square plus x minus c leaves reminders 0 and 30 when divided by x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 respectively. Calculate the values of b and c, hence factorize the expression completely. Okay, here the expression is f of x is equal to 4x cube minus bx square plus x minus c. Here we have b and c in the expression and we need to find the values of b and c first. It is given that the expression leaves remainder 0 when divided by x plus 1. Okay, that is f of minus 1 will be equal to 0. If it is divided by x plus 1, x plus 1, from x plus 1 we will be getting x is equal to minus 1. When f of minus 1 is determined, we will be getting it 0 because f of a is the remainder. F of a, here it is f of minus 1. F of minus 1 should be equal to 0. Now, let's substitute minus 1 in the expression. We will be getting 0 then. Okay, that is f of minus 1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 cube minus b into minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus c. F of minus 1 is 0. Here the remainder is 0. 0 is equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus b into minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus b is minus b. Then you have a minus 1 and minus c. Okay, taking minus b and minus c to the opposite side, it becomes b plus c is equal to minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5. This is our first equation. Okay, then it is given that this expression leaves a remainder 30 when divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, 2x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Since 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, we get 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. When you find f of 3 by 2, which is a remainder, f of 3 by 2 will be equal to 30. Okay, f of 3 by 2 is equal to 30. Let's find f of 3 by 2. F of 3 by 2 is equal to, substituting in place of x, 3 by 2. 4 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus b into 3 by 2 square plus 3 by 2 minus c. Okay, f of 3 by 2 we know is equal to 30. 30 is equal to 4 into 3 cube is 27 divided by 2 cube is 8 minus b into 3 square 9, 2 square 4 plus 3 by 2 minus c. Now, this 4 and 8 can be cancelled. 4 into 2 is 8. We have 30 is equal to 27 divided by 2 minus 9b divided by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus c. Now taking LCM. Here denominators we have 2, 4, 2 and this is 1. The LCM will be equal to 4. Denominator 4. What about numerator? 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 27, that is 54. 54 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 1 into 9b, we get 9b. Plus 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 1 into 4 is 4. 4 into c, that is 4c. Here LHS we have 30. Okay. Now taking this 4 to the opposite side, We get 30 into 4 is equal to 54 minus 9b plus 6 minus 4c. That is 30 into 4, 120. 120 is equal to 54 plus 6 is equal to 60. 60 minus 9b minus 4c. Taking them to the opposite side, minus 9b becomes plus 9b minus 4c becomes plus 4c is equal to 60. Carrying this minus side, it becomes minus 120. Okay, minus 120. That is 9b plus 4c is equal to 60 minus 120 is minus 60. This is our second equation. We got in terms of B and C. First equation we have B plus C is equal to minus 5. From 1, we'll get B is equal to minus 5 minus C. Okay, B is equal to minus 5 minus C. I am going to substitute in the second equation for B. 9 into minus 5 minus C plus 4C is equal to minus 60. That is 9 into minus 5 minus 45. 9 into minus C minus 9C plus 4C is equal to minus 60. Minus 9C plus 4C is minus 5C. Minus 5C is equal to minus 60. Minus 45, taking to the opposite side, becomes plus 45. Plus 45. That is minus 5C is equal to minus 15. Minus 60 plus 45 is minus 15, which implies C is equal to minus 15 divided by minus 5, which is 3. Okay, we got C is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. Now substitute the value of C in equation 1. B plus C is equal to minus 5. B plus 3 is equal to minus 5, which means B is equal to minus 5. Taking this plus 3 to the opposite side, it becomes minus 3. B is equal to minus 8. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. We got the values of B and C. B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 3. Okay. Now, we need to factorize the expression completely. What change happens in the expression? We have to substitute B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 3. Then the expression f of x will become 4x cube minus of minus 8x square plus x minus C minus 3. That is equal to 4x cube plus 8x square plus x minus 3, f of x. This is the expression. Okay, we need to factorize this. Here it is given that remainder 0 is obtained when we are dividing with x plus 1, which means x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, since x plus 1 is a factor, using x plus 1 and performing the long division, we can find the other factors. Dividing the expression 4x cube plus 8x square plus x minus 3 with x plus 1. 4x cube is obtained when x is multiplied with 4x square. Okay, 4x square into x is 4x cube plus 4x square into 1 is 4x square. On subtracting this, what do we get? 4x cube minus 4x cube is 0. 8x square minus 4x square is 4x square. Taking them down, we have plus x minus 3. Okay, to get 4x square, x should be multiplied with 4x plus 4x. 4x into x is 4x square. 4x into 1 is 4x plus 4x. On dividing, on subtracting, we get 4x square minus 4x square is 0. X minus 4x is minus 3x. Here we have a minus 3, taking down. Minus 3x is obtained when x is multiplied with minus 3. That is minus 3 into x is minus 3x minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3. On subtracting, we get remainder 0. So, Q of x is equal to 4x square plus 4x minus 3. When you factorize this, we get two other factors. Here, we have to choose two numbers for splitting the middle term such that sum is equal to 4 and product is equal to 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. Okay. When I take 6 and minus 2, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, 6 minus 2 is 4. So, we can split the middle term, that is equal to 4x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 3. Here the common 4x square and 6x common, we have 2x into 2x plus 3. From this I can take minus 1 common, minus 1 into 2x plus 3, which means 2x plus 3 is common, remaining we have 2x minus 1. Q of x, we got two factors, 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. From the question, we have one factor is x plus 1 because here the remainder is 0. Therefore, the factors are x plus 1, then 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. The factors of the expression are x plus 1, 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. Understood? This is clear? Okay. Let's do the next problem. Problem number 6, question 7 of exercise 8b. If x plus a is a common factor of expressions, f of x is equal to x square plus px plus q and g of x is equal to x square plus mx plus n, show that a is equal to n minus q divided by m minus p. Okay. Here we have two expressions. The first expression, f of x is equal to x square plus px plus q. And the second expression, g of x is equal to x square plus mx plus n. It is given that x plus a is a common factor of first expression and second expression. If x plus a is a factor, then the remainder obtained when you substitute x is equal to minus a will be 0. That is what factor means. Okay. Here x plus a is a factor, which means f of minus a is equal to g of minus a and that is equal to 0. Okay. First, we'll find f of minus a. F of minus a is equal to minus a square plus p into minus a plus q. F of minus a is 0. 0 is equal to minus a square is a square minus ap plus q. Okay. A square minus ap plus q. We'll take this as the first equation. Okay. Now take g of x, that is find g of minus a. G of minus a will be equal to minus a whole square plus m into minus a plus n. That is equal to minus a square is a square. M into minus a is minus ma plus n. Here again we have g of minus a is equal to 0. This part is 0. The second expression, we get 0 is equal to a square minus ma plus n. We are taking this as equation 2. Okay. When you compare these two equations, LHS we have zeros, which means RHS should also be equal. From the first expression, the RHS is a square minus ap plus q. And from the second expression, the RHS is a square minus ma plus n. Now this a square is common in LHS and RHS. They can be cancelled. Then taking terms containing a to one side, bringing minus ma to LHS, we get ma minus ap. Taking this q to the opposite side becomes n minus q. A is common. A into m minus p is equal to n minus q. Then what is A? A will be equal to n minus q divided by, here it is multiplication, to opposite side becomes division, m minus p. This is what we need to get. Show that A is equal to n minus q divided by m minus p. We got A is equal to n minus q divided by m minus p. Clear? This is a very simple question. X plus A is given to be a common factor. If it is a factor, you only need to have the idea that if it is a factor, then f of minus A will be equal to 0. Using this, we can easily solve this question. Here we have the last problem for today. Problem 7, question 10 of exercise 8b. Find the number that must be subtracted from the polynomial 3y cube plus y square minus 22y plus 15 so that the resulting polynomial is completely divisible by y plus 3. Here, to find the resulting polynomial, we have to subtract a number from this expression. Let us take the number as x. Let the number that must be subtracted is x. Okay. If there is some unknown quantity, we take it as x. Now, the polynomial expression. Here we are taking f of y because all the terms are in y. F of y is equal to 3y cube plus y square minus 22y plus 15 minus x. Subtract x from this. This is the resulting polynomial expression. Now it is given that resulting polynomial expression is completely divisible by y plus 3. What is completely divisible? Completely divisible means y plus 3 is a factor. Y plus 3 is a factor. When you divide this expression with y plus 3, you will be getting remainder 0. Okay. That is, when you find f of minus 3, x minus a is the factor if f of a is equal to 0. Here we have y plus 3, which means we have to find f of minus 3. f of minus 3 is a factor. Therefore, f of minus 3 will be equal to 0. What is f of minus 3? Expression we get f of minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 3 cube plus minus 3 whole square minus 22 into minus 3 plus 15 minus x. F of minus 3 we have, f of minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 3 into minus 3 cube. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. Minus 27 into 3. That is minus 81. Minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is plus 9. Minus 22 into minus 3, which is plus 66. We have a plus 15 and minus x. Okay. Now we need to find x, taking x to the opposite side. X is equal to positive terms. 66 plus 9 is 75. 75 plus 15 is 90. 90 and the negative term minus 81. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 90 minus 81, that is 9. X is equal to 9. We are subtracting 9 from the expression. Then our expression f of y will be equal to 3y cube plus y square minus 22y plus 15 minus 9, or f of y is equal to 3y cube plus y square minus 22y plus 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. Here we just need to find the value of x, subtracting variable. The variable which is subtracted from the expression to get a resulting polynomial such that it is divisible completely by y plus 3. Clear? When you have an unknown quantity, we take it as x. Just you need this idea. Okay, that's all for today. In today's class, we have studied how to use factor theorem to factorize a given polynomial with examples and solve many questions from exercise 8b. There are few more questions which you can practice on your own. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.